Hello there and welcome to the Geeker Shaves. Right now, yesterday I posted up a little unboxing video of the new Gillette razor, the one with the heated bar. So it's from Gillette Labs. And today I'm now going to shave with it. So let's test out what it is. So as you can see, I've got quite a bit of growth here. Made sure that I've got the growth ready for the test. And here it is, up here, charging away. So we've got the charger plugged into the socket for electric shavers. And as you can notice, whilst it's charging, this light glows, and so does the one on the ring. So, there we go. So it's been charging, and now it's time to have a shave. So I thought, as this is a Gillette product, they're going to say, oh, well, if it didn't come out too right, you weren't using Gillette stuff. So I have got myself a little can of Gillette gel ready for the prep. So let's see how we get on, shall we? So I've got a nice bowl of warm water. Moisten the bristles. Bit of foam or gel, rub it in. And there we go. So, got a very good coverage there. Clear my hands. Done. So, give it a minute. Let it just go in. Now, I wonder if the buzzing will stop when I take this off. Nope. So let's power it off, shall we? So here we have it. We have the razor with the flick head, so it rotates. You can see on here the arrow moves as well. With the heating bar, we have 5 blades. As you can see through it, so it's got a good clearance through there. And we've got the metal trimmer on the back. So I'm wondering, right, so at the moment the trimming bar does not feel, or the warming bar doesn't feel warm. So here, oh, look at that. Turn it off so you can see, and turn it on. Get a nice red glow on it. Just gonna have a feel. Okay, so slowly getting there. Slowly starting to feel warmer. Just going to give it a minute and see what happens. So, again, I'm not sure if you remember from the previous video, but when it's on the stand, it's magnetic. So you put it in, you can put it in at a slight angle, and ta-da! You can really feel it pull as you're doing it. So I do like that. Anyway, so there we go. Put it in the water, just rinse the blades, make sure they're wet. Let's give it its first go. Okay, so as you would expect from a Gillette, like a fusion type blade, it is cutting very well. It does have a very nice sensation with this nice warm bar. So, and it rinses well. Let's do the rinse test. Get a nice big bit of shave done. Oops, dropped a little bit there. As you can see, that's pretty well full. Quick swish. And we're clear again. It's cutting. So far, so good. Now, this has only just been launched in the UK from Gillette Labs. I believe you can get it online or from Selfridges, and it's about £200, about £199. I'm not sure if that's going to be their final retail price, because that's quite a lot of money for a razor. Like, that's the warming bar now is really warm, so it's obviously taken a little while to get up to temperature. Let's try the reverse trimmer on the back. Not very aggressive, which is good. I am quite liking this warming sensation. So there we go. I also like the fact that the metal razor stand holds it up, and then just line it down. That was not the best first pass I've ever done. Let's give it a little further go around. Can really feel that heat bar. And as you don't normally have that, it is a very unusual sensation. The only other time I've had it is with the leaf shave. So that worked pretty well, but the hotness dissipated very quickly on that. Whereas this, where it's constantly powered, you keep getting that nice, warm, hot feeling. And there we have it. So, power it off. Done. It's given a good clean shave. It's very stylish. I do like the stand. I like the way it lights up. It looks very futuristic. In the previous video, when I opened it up, it looked like the carbonite from Star Wars that it was encased in. Generally, it's a good product. Now, at a £200 price tag, is it worth it? And I think the replacement blades are pretty costly as well. That is really a question for you. It's not really the sort of thing that I would buy for myself, but then again, I'm not the target market. Yeah, I've never been the target market for some of these premium, pristine brands. It's a bit like Ferrari or Lamborghini. I'm never likely to buy one of them. Yeah, I'd imagine this is similar but in shaving aspects. So, although I reckon if the price was more reasonable, say maybe £100, you'd also find quite a lot of people stretching for it for a gift for people. So it could end up being a popular birthday or anniversary gift, as it were, especially if the wife is one of these people who has now had their husband and they've turned into a hipster, but when they first met, they had a nice, smooth, clean face. So, yeah, it's a very nice product. Really like it. My friend's going to enjoy it. The heating bar works really well. The shave was good. It's a good product. It's just, is it worth the money? If you've got lots of money or you want to have the status symbol, yeah, a bit like the Ferrari and the Lamborghinis, then you're going to buy it. If you're not, then you're not. For example, I drive a Dacia, and the reason I drive it is it's one of the most economical cars, best value for money there is. So I'm not really the target market. My father, on the other hand, Jaguars, Land Rovers, so he would have been much more the target market. So there we go, horses for courses. Very good product, I do like it, and let's see where you get on from there.